to go to rules for before they destroy the dragon.
This is the dragon. There's a ring on it. Okay. The dragon will only sample whole product. The dragon will sample no more than 1/2 of a plastic teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. That means you don't have to take the whole thing. That means you have to burn yourself out. You may have meat, beer, or
Yeah,
water.
meat, beer, or water.
You better bring
Watch Gissum.
because I will burn his ass down to the ground. Yeah, boy, yeah. That is 9 million Scoville.
Hey, Gissum is the funniest guy in probably in the world, man.
Ice cream, he loses. That's my water. If the dragon is still standing after the time expires, you win.
Oh, that's a big dog, Big Daddy. Den Finn. Den Finn.
Cries like a baby, taps out, and loses. Okay, well, now if you can endure all this, you can try. But no walking around and trying to walk it off. You gotta sit your ass right there.
No, you've already agreed to that. It's the rule
Oh,
that
he
you
got it.
agreed to yesterday.
Oh, he got you. Oh, he got
You
you.
agreed to that already.
Gissum, you did say that earlier,
No
Gissum.
matter what, we're talking about 4 Get it right. That's what I'm
No, you said it earlier, Gissum.
You don't pour them shit, and we'll just wait a minute and don't pour them shit.
He said all for them shits.
You ain't even work.
He was all for them
Everybody
shits.
clear on the rules.
Everybody's good.
Oh,
Everybody
G
clear.
smooth with the toothpick though. You throw your old player.
Absolutely.
Den Finn,
Dragon. Are we clear on
the dragon.
They're almost ready. Now, in a strategic move, the dragon elects to go with the hottest thing first.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the 9 million Scoville Mad Dog.
9 million Scoville. Oh my goodness.
Number 9.
That Pluto, anything with Pluto in it, you might as well know it's a wrap.
He'll take that down first. Then he'll work his way back.
So how do you gotta wear gloves? They got the natural light though. I don't see the natural light in that corner right there. Yeah. See that ray too. Make sure them blood. I know in the south. Oh, he finna be burnt up.
He says he's good with it. Now wait, don't try it yet. Hang on. Okay. Okay, and the time starts now.
Oh, he already sweating. He's sweating just smelling it.
This is the Mad Dog 357, and it is considered the hottest of the
Let me zoom in on the eyes.
that they don't want you to touch with your hands. They put on a disclaimer on the bottle that says don't even touch the bottle unless you're wearing gloves. They say don't try this at home.
It look like he ain't bothering. Oh, it look like might have got him a little bit. Let's see what it do. He took the hottest one first. Oh, that beer gonna make it more hot. Ugh, ouch. Fireman ain't tripping. He took that one like a champ. 9 million Scovilles. Whatever a Scoville is. Look at Gissum worried like, oh, he took that motherfucker. Oh man, this is bad man. Gissum was scared right there. Like, oh man, I don't know.
Do anything you want, relax. We're not rushing into the second.
If he would have just took the bet and said, all right, just give me your hottest and I'm gonna take that, then he could have won. He needed cigarettes, some water, a massage, an ice bucket.
He's still in his seat. He's still in his seat.
Oh, Gissum about to get mad.
Y'all don't understand.
What do you think?
Gissum about to get mad.
What do you think? He's on the road right now.
Yeah, the eyes was red though before he started though. Den Finn, them eyes was red before he had started. Alright, let me see what else. What's up with the second one? OG with the toothpick looking like, man. Oh wait.
How do you feel, Dragon? This is the fire-eating dragon. I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all don't understand.
Well, let's go.
How good this guy is.
Next.
Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. Right, you ready for the next one or you need more time?
No, we're ready for the next one right now.
We're ready for number 2.
Gissum, look at Gissum. Look at the face of
that
Gissum.
right there. Take a look as Gissum looks at Din Fin with concern. Does the dragon have him right where he wants him? He took down that mad dog like it was a puny
Gissum said,
puppy.
give me the sauce, man. Din Fin, give me the sauce.
Sample number 2.
Oh, no, see, that's how you know it's over. The mark of the beast gonna get you. You try to give him that. You try to give him the jabby jab.
All you can do is face the beast. Face to face. At the end of you.
Suddenly, there's a pause. The dragon calls for more time.
You all right? Yeah.
The dragon is over there. Hot, you done smoke ball. That's about 4 cigarettes now, ain't it, dragon?
That's okay, Dragon, you ready?
What you doing, man?
More time?
Don't even talk.
Let's go one more time. Give him a nap. Give him a nap.
You ready for another one?
Your head on the ball, guys. Get good. And you start sweating. And he's doing all of that.
Doesn't know you got him where you want him now.
Like a rail on a chair.
Oh yeah, he out of there. You shouldn't have wore that red shirt to make it seem more hot.
Take your time now. You don't have to rush. He's got 4 samplings to go. He gets to put on his own. You don't have to overdo it.
Now listen, man. You can't be doing no damn coaching. No, when you trying to tell him, oh, just use a little bit. Come on, that's my teeth, man.
This is not happening.
Ladies and gentlemen, he
He ain't
just
finna
took
last
the
this
mark
one.
of the beast.
This one gonna take him out.
He just took the mark of the beast.
Oh yeah, them eyes getting red now. He's sweating bullets. Oh, look at me, fireman.
What do you think about that, Dragon? What's your first thoughts?
Oh, them some bullets right there. He's sweating some bullets.
You can tap out at any time.
I ought to try to get a blanket or sheet and lay it in that grass or something.
Hey, don't be trying to kill this man. You standing on the damn side. You need some.
What do you think about the dragon?
What do you think about the dragon?
That's what's the name, protege you showed with the braids. I think that's Din Fin's protege. His nephew. Not Din Fin, Gissum. Gissum's protege. Him and the one dude that looked like the one that looked like Boosie. Not Boosie, the one that looked like the baby.
The dragon reaches for his
That's the
natural
bald-headed dude. He looked like the baby.
some relief.
You could tell they from the Carolinas. Oh yeah, the fireman don't know which way is up.
Killer, the corner man, attends to our classmate.
Oh, yeah, he
The dragon
done.
is damaged.
The dragon is down. He's been cut.
Gissum is
He's human.
furious.
And now you gonna
He is human.
A little bit of anything ain't gonna do shit.
Oh, this one I ain't see Gissum take not one bite of no hot stuff.
Oh, what you married?
Oh, Gissum.
The shirt's off. The dragon
Uh-oh.
is fighting a raging fire.
Yeah, the
And
dragon's
Gissum
done.
won't let up.
He is done.
Take him down.
I bet his skin felt like a shirt. You want to take his skin off. That's him right there. That was the baby.
They ain't say no about no just tag, just touch it.
Uh-oh. The dragon's in trouble.
The dragon's been
Can't
cut.
be stopped. Plus, the
dragon
temperature
been cut.
outside is 93 degrees.
Oh,
Making it
man,
feel like
93
trees
degrees.
and a pot of
Yeah, that's
milk.
about it for you, big dragon. That is it.
Dragon.
You throw in the towel?
Do you need some more? Do you need some more beer?
It's getting worse. The dragon goes for another natural light. Gissum goes for the jugular.
Hey, man, this is a competition, man.
The natural light might help because it ain't so much liquor in it.
That's not bad. Y'all said to set them out. Y'all will not just touch it. And then you gonna coach it. Come on, man. I'm talking shit.
I think Gissum might be an Aquarius, man. I don't know what sign Gissum is, but I would guess Aquarius. Aquarius want to talk some shit. Yeah, he's sweating. He got four stripes going down his chest. He just got wiped off. Yeah, you done, big fella. Well, you gave it a valiant effort. You ate the hot one first.
You can tap out.
All right, that's
Don't hurt yourself, man. I didn't make you sign the paper, but you're supposed to sign the paper before you even read this shit.
Wait a minute, one reason I gotta see that. There. Did you see that?
Fireman tapped out, but that was a valiant effort, man. You ate the hottest one first. That should automatically give you the W. But like I said, man, I love this channel. If you guys love Gissum, like I love Gissum, man, and the whole channel, man, everybody, go ahead and follow them, like them, subscribe to them. It's a really good channel, man. All right, y'all, I'm out, y'all. Good looking out. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for being here. All right, then, peace.